Hello friends, welcome to ProTalent and I'm Nitin Parmar. My dear students, past year papers of CAT, they help us a lot in terms of understanding the approaches needed for the examination, the type of questions are being asked to us, and thereby it is our, you can say, efforts to provide you daily some questions related to previous year CAT questions. दोस्तों, this is CAT 2021 slot 2 paper and this is our fourth session and we are covering some around 7 questions in this. Okay, so we'll be covering some around 7 questions in this is the last module for slot 2 and then we will start with slot 3. Okay, chali, great. Let's start with, you can say, question number 16. Now if you remember, in our slot 1 question, okay, related to this modulus, we gave you an approach. Okay, what is an approach? Let me explain this. So whenever there is a modulus provided, what is the meaning to this? The meaning is that there is on a number line, the gap between these two numbers is the modulus. Okay, so let us say I have a number line and this is 20, this is 40. Okay, so I have an equation which says modulus of 3x minus 2, modulus of 3x minus 40 is equal to 20. Now, if I say the number 3x, so I'm just assuming it is 3x. Okay, so the number 3x is somewhere around less than 20 के आजू बाजू जाएगा. ठीक है, अगर ये रेंज में जाता है, अगर मैं ऐसा सोचता हूँ, ठीक है, तब जाकर मैं इसको आंसर कर पाऊंगा. अगर मैं ऐसा सोचता हूँ, ठीक है, तो आई नो दैट द गैप बिटवीन 3x and मतलब let's say if it is less than 20, this gap will be more than 20, plus there will be some gap which is this. Okay, ठीक है, so therefore I will not reach to 20, मेरा नंबर 20 आएगा नहीं. सिमिलरली अगर मैं 40 के ऊपर कहीं पे होगा, ठीक है, इफ माई 3x इज अबव 40, ठीक है, तो आप देख सकते हैं कि 3x minus 20 और ये नंबर यहाँ कहीं पे होगा, सो दिस नंबर विल बी मोर देन 20. सही बात है. सो देयर बाय दिस इक्वेशन विल नॉट सेट. सो द 3x has to be somewhere between these two numbers, between 20 and 40. ये तो पक्का है. Yes or no? So दोस्तों, modulus का मतलब होता है on a number line there is a, you can say, the gap between two numbers is basically a modulus. Okay, ठीक है. So that means my 3x has to be between 20 and 40. ठीक है. So one of the number could be 20. 3x could be 20. That means 3x has to be greater than 20. So thereby x has to be greater than 20 by 3. Okay, so what is that 20 by 3? Somewhere around 6.66. Okay, 6.66. So that means it is somewhere around 7 के range में बैठेगा. Similarly, my 3x has to be less than 40. Yes or no? So therefore my x should be less than 40 by 3, which is 13 point something. तो एकमात्र ऑप्शन जो 6.66 and 13 point something के बीच में बैठने वाला, that is B, that is my answer. Easy? Very good. ठीक है, बहुत easy था. चलिए, great. We come to this question number 17 of slot 2 CAT 2021. Okay, side A, B and CD of trapezium AB, ABCD are parallel. Okay, great. So this is AB and then this is CD. So I'm sure we all know that trapezium has only one pair of sides are parallel, the other two are not. With AB being smaller side, okay, great. So that's, I did it right. The P is a midpoint of CD, so this is a trapezium. P is a midpoint of CD and ABPD is a parallelogram. Oh, that means ABPD is a parallelogram. This is a midpoint, so therefore this is CP is equal to PD. This is parallelogram, which means ABCD are parallelogram, which means AB is parallel to PD, BD is parallel to AP, which also means AB is equal to PD and BD is equal to AP. Okay, parallelogram में ऐसा होता है. ठीक है. If the difference between the area of parallelogram ABPD and the triangle BPC is 10. What is triangle BPC? Okay, so the triangle BPC is something like this. Okay, Okay, ठीक है. So what do I have? Triangle BPC and there is a trapezium called ABPD. उन दोनों के बीच का गैप कितना है? 10 square centimeter and they are asking us what is the area of trapezium ABCD. Okay, looks pretty good. ठीक है, looks pretty good. How do I do it? Now when I know when I know that you can say CP and PD are same, okay, so the triangle BPC का area is same as triangle BPD का area. क्यों ऐसा हुआ? क्योंकि area of triangle is given by 1/2 base into height. ठीक है, 1/2 base into height. आप देख सकते हैं कि बेस CPO या PDO वो सेम है. सो देयर बाई यू कैन से दोनों के अंदर बेस सेम है. हाइट कितनी है? हाइट दोनों की सेम है क्योंकि दो पैरेलल लाइन के बीच में जा रहा है. सो देयरफॉर यू कैन से आप देख सकते हैं कि ये ट्राइंगल BPC इज इक्वल टू ट्राइंगल यू कैन से BPD. एरिया के टर्म में दोनों सेम है. ट्राइंगल BPD इज इक्वल टू ट्राइंगल यू कैन से ABP इज इक्वल टू ट्राइंगल यू कैन से APC. मतलब ABP इज ऑल्सो सेम ना. ट्राइंगल ABP इज ऑल्सो सेम क्योंकि PD की जो लेंथ है वही लेंथ AB की लेंथ है. यस और नो? ठीक है. सो देयर बाई देर आर 3 ट्राइंगल्स. ठीक है, अब APPD में 2 ट्राइंगल थे, BPC एक ट्राइंगल था, दोनों का डिफरेंस इज 10. तो मुझे 3 ट्राइंगल चाहिए. 3 ट्राइंगल का एरिया हो जाएगा आपका 30. आंसर क्या हो गया? 30. यस और नो? एक एक ट्राइंगल 10 10 और 10 का होगा एंड देयर बाई इट इज गोइंग टू मेक इट टू बी 30. कंफर्टेबल है? Very good. Question number 18. Very interesting question. Raj invested 10,000 rupees in a fund. At the end of the first year, he incurred a loss, but his balance was more than 5,000 rupees, which means his loss will not be, you can say, 50%. Yes or no? Will be always less than 50%. तभी तो 5,000 से ज़्यादा रुपीस उसके पास बचेंगे. Very good. This balance, when he invested in the another year, grew, and the percentage growth rate in the second year was 5 times the percentage of loss in the first year. Oh, so that means in the first year I got a loss of minus X, and in the second year I got a profit of 5X. Yes, ठीक है. If the gain of Raj from the initial investment over 2-year period is 35%, then find the percentage loss in the first year. फर्स्ट ईयर में कितना लॉस होगा? फर्स्ट ईयर में 70% लॉस तो नहीं होगा. क्यों नहीं होगा? बिकॉज ही हैड अ बैलेंस ऑफ 5,000 रुपीज और मोर देन 5,000 रुपीज. सो 50% से ऊपर तो उसका लॉस होगा ही नहीं. सो नाउ वी हैव एन ऑप्शन ऑफ 15, 5 एंड 10. Yes or no? If the loss of 10 is there in the first year, ठीक है, what will happen for the profit of the next year? 5 times 50, यहाँ पे होगा 25 और यहाँ पे होगा आपका 75. ठीक है, और उसकी वजह से उसको ओवरऑल 35% का प्रॉफिट हुआ. अब आप देखिए 25 और 5 मिला के 35 तो देगा ही नहीं. मतलब ये आंसर तो है ही नहीं. ठीक है, अब कोई एक नंबर के ऊपर दो यू कैन से बार सक्सेसिव परसेंटेज इंक्रीज या परसेंटेज डिक्रीज या 1% इंक्रीज 1% डिक्रीज अगर हम करते हैं, ठीक है, तो व्हाट इज एन ओवरऑल इफेक्ट? दैट ओवरऑल इफेक्ट इज गिवन एज A plus B plus AB upon 100. If I take this -10 का प्रॉफिट, -10 का लॉस प्लस 50 का प्रॉफिट, ठीक है, देन आई गेट 50 इंटू -10, ठीक है, 50 इंटू -10 अपॉन 100. So that makes it 2 plus 40 minus 5, that makes it to 35. This is a perfect answer. ठीक है, this is a perfect answer. I believe this is very fast, this is quick. आपको समझ आया होगा, आप करने के काबिल होंगे. दोस्तों ये समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है that you can say as a student for CAT, ठीक है, you must always think about how to go about speed, how to go about you can say faster calculation. ठीक है, coming to number 19, very interesting question. Suppose the roots of an equation called ax square minus bx plus c is equal to 0. The root is 2 plus root 3, where ABC are rational number, a is not equal to 0 and b is equal to c cube. Find what is modulus of a. Now I know in a quadratic equation, if one of the root is 2 plus root 3, another root would be 2 minus root 3. If you know this concept, then possibly this question is very fast. ठीक है. So there are two roots, one is alpha, one is beta, ठीक है. And when I know that when I have two roots, ठीक है, sum of the roots is given as minus b by a, which is alpha plus beta, and product of the root is given as c by a, which is alpha into beta. Okay, so for me alpha plus beta is equal to 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3, which is 4, is equal to minus b by a. There is minus b already provided, so thereby it is b by a. Okay, b by a is 4, while c by a is product, that is 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3, a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So this makes it to 4 minus 3, that is, you can say 1. Okay, which is easy now. ठीक है. Okay, so we know b is equal to 4a, c is equal to a. That's very easy. Okay, b is equal to c cube बोला इन्होंने. Let me put it here, and c is equal to a. So what happens? a cube is equal to 4a. ठीक है, बराबर है, ये आपको समझ आना चाहिए. So therefore a square is equal to 4. So therefore a modulus of a is equal to 2. Answer would be 2. एकदम easy, काफी easy. Question number 20. In a sequence of real number x1, x2, x3 up to xn, if note किया जाए x1 minus x2 plus x3 minus x4 up to minus 1 to the power n plus 1 xn is given as n square plus 2n for all natural number of n, then what is the sum of x49 and x plus x50? है ना. जब ऐसे सवाल होते हैं ना तो मेरे दिमाग में बहुत सिंपल सा काम चलता है. I will start taking n equal to 1, I will start taking n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4, and I will get some series. At the end of the day, this is a series. Yes or no? Let me take n equal to 1. n equal to 1 is x1 is equal to, you can say 1 ka square, that is n square plus 2n, 1 ka square plus 2 into 1, so that makes it to 3. So x1 is equal to 3. Okay, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. n equal to 2 is nothing but x1 minus x2 is equal to 2 square into 2 into 2. 2 square is 4 plus 4, that makes it to be 8. So x1 minus x2 is 8, and I know x1 is 3 minus x2 is equal to 8. So therefore x2 is equal to कितना होना चाहिए, है ना, x2 is equal to minus 5. x2 is minus 5. When I take n equal to 3, I get, you can say x1 minus x2 plus x3 is equal to 3 square plus 2 into 3. This is 9 plus 6, which is 15. x1 is 3, x2 is minus 5 plus x3 is equal to 15. So this is 8. x3 is equal to 7. So I get x3 is equal to 7. So I get a series now. Yes or no? What series I am getting in? Take a very interesting series I am getting in. Yes or no? x1 is 3, x2 is minus 5, x3 is 7, x4 is minus 9, and so on and so forth. Yes or no? So if I take the difference of two number, ठीक है, okay, the plus of two number, that is minus 5, you can say n3 is equal to minus 2. x4 minus 7 is, you can say, minus 2. So that is even number plus odd number का sum, that is even plus odd, the difference is minus 2. Answer would be minus 2. नोट किया जाए, ठीक है. आपको पूछा है x1 प्लस x2, ठीक है. आपको x2 प्लस x3 अगर आप निकालेंगे तो वो प्लस 2 आएगा. ओके, ठीक है. पर यहाँ पे पूछा क्या है, x49 प्लस x50. ओके, ऑड नंबर एंड इवन नंबर. इवन नंबर प्लस ऑड नंबर नहीं बोला है, ठीक है. ये नोट किया जाए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. Two pipes A and B are attached to an empty water tank. So there is empty water tank. Pipe A fills the tank. Pipe B is a drainage pipe. If pipe A is open at 2 p.m. and pipe B is open at 3 p.m., the tank becomes full in 10 p.m. तो ए को हमने 2 बजे चालू किया. 2 बजे से 10 बजे के बीच में कितने घंटे हो गए? 2 से 10 8 घंटे हो गए. सो 8 अपॉन ए माइनस पाइप बी को 3 बजे चालू किया, 1 घंटा कम किया, सो दैट इज 7 by B and the tank is completely full. Instead, if the pipe A is open at 2 p.m. and B is open at 4 p.m., tank becomes full at 6 p.m. So 2 से 6, which is 4 hours available for A, while for B it is 2 hours only. So 2 by B, the tank is getting full. If the pipe B is not open at all, then in time, in minutes taken to fill the tank. मतलब ए को कितने घंटे लगते हैं, घंटों को हम मिनट्स में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे. इट विल बी इजी फॉर अस. 2 इक्वेशंस है, 2 वेरिएबल्स है, हम आसानी से सॉल्व करेंगे. हमें एक ही वैल्यू चाहिए, हमें एक से बी निकाल देंगे. तो पूरे इक्वेशन को, पहले वाले इक्वेशन को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करा जाएगा, सेकेंड वाले को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करा जाएगा. आई विल बी गेटिंग वॉट, 16 बाई ए माइनस 14 by B is equal to 2. I will get, you can say 28 by A minus 14 by B is equal to 7. Subtract करेंगे, है ना, मतलब इक्वेशन 2 में से इक्वेशन 1 माइनस करेंगे. I will be getting 28 minus 16. 8 minus 6 is 2. This is 12 by A is equal to 7 minus 2 is 5. ठीक है. So therefore A is equal to 12 by 5. This is in hours. I need to convert that into, you can say, minutes. So this is 12. 12 12s are 144. Answer is 144. Ekdam easy. Yes or no? I think you will be in a position to manage it. Question number 22. Very interesting question. A person buys tea of 3 different quantities, 800 rupees, 500 rupees, 300 rupees per kg, and the amounts bought are in proportion of. So कितना खरीदा? 2x, 3x and 5x. This is 800 wala, this is 500 wala, this is 300 wala. She mixes them, sells 1/6 of them at 700 per kg. ठीक है. The price in INR per kg at which she should sell the remaining tea to make an overall profit of 50%. 50% profit चाहिए. So what is the original cost? Let us see. The original cost is 800 into 2 is 1600x. ठीक है. This is 1500x. This is 1500x. ठीक है. मैंने इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. So that gives me total cost. That is 45 plus 1. That is 4600x is my original cost. I need a profit of, you can say, 50% on it, which is 2300. इसमें minus, इसमें add करूँगा. So I will be adding 2300. So that means I should earn 6900x. That is the money I should earn. Yes or no? कैसे earn करूँगा? I get how many total kg? 5 plus 3 plus 10. I get total 10x kg है. Okay. उसमें से I have already, you can say, sold 1/6 of it. मैंने कितना बेच दिया है? 1/6. ठीक है. 10 में से 1/6 चला गया. So कितना गया हमारे पास? 10x by 6. उसका पैसा कितना है मेरे पास? 700 rupees पे बेचा. This is the money I got. What is the remaining amount? 5 of 10x by 6. उसको क्या प्राइस पे बेचूंगा? So that amount is equal to 6900x. Simple सा मतलब है. Yes or no? This becomes easy. Okay, great. 5 into 10 of 6 of P is equal to 6900x minus 7000 x by 6. सबको LCM 6 ले लेते हैं. ठीक है. और 6 डिस्कार्ड कर देते हैं. 6 मुझे यहीं पे करना पड़ेगा. So thereby my equation will become 5 into 10, you can say, x into P is equal to 00, 6 9s are 54. ठीक है. 5 बचेगा. 6 6 are 36 plus 5 is 41 minus 7000, you can say, ये आ जाएगा आपका x. x कट जाएगा. I get 50. P is equal to what? 41 400 minus 7000. So that makes it to कितना आएगा? 41 में से 7 माइनस होगा. So वो जाएगा करीबन 34 400. Okay? ठीक है. So therefore my P will be 3440 by 5. 5 6 are 30. 44 बचा. 5 8 are 40. वापस 40 बचा. 5 8 are 688 is the answer. है ना. बहुत easy था. Yes, great. दोस्तों, ठीक है. These are the kind of questions available in your CAT. Isn't it very easy? आई एम श्योर आप अगर इस तरीके से इस अप्रोचेस से करेंगे तो मुझे लगता है कि आपको पक्का बहुत इजी मेथड लगेगी और आप आसानी से करने के काबिल है। दोस्तों हमारे protalentdigital.com के ऊपर वी आर ब्रिंगिंग दिस कंटेंट फॉर यू एंड दिस कंटेंट इज वेरी यूजफुल। ठीक है, आप उसको बहुत अच्छी तरीके से यूटिलाइज करने के काबिल हो पाएंगे। ओके ग्रेट, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग विद अस एंड ऑल द बेस्ट।